Here's a quick trick to conditionally format cells based on the value in another cell. So let's say we want to highlight the first name of anyone who owns a house. What we would do is go to the Format Conditional Formatting, and instead of using the format rule is not empty or is empty, you can scroll down and do a custom formula. And when we're applying this format rule, we're applying it to cell C3. So in this case, we want the value of column D, so D3. So as long as the value or formula evaluates to true, then C3 will be highlighted green. And when we click done, nothing happens because this is false. If we change this to true, this gets highlighted in green. What you can also do is copy and paste the conditional formatting down other rows. And now you see that any of these names who own a house get highlighted in green. Thanks for watching.